So you're armed with a screwdriver. Let's go and see just how simple these mirrors are. I'm not going to get rid of these mirrors because although they're looking a bit tired, I'm going to keep everything that we take off Dotty just in case. A, you never know if it gets broken and you can't get another one.
Yeah.
And B, it's just nice to keep what was on there before. Ready when you are. It's nice to watch somebody else do the work.
Oh, let's see how we can do this thing.
Do you know, it's much more fun watching you do the work than it is me doing the work. So it's one big bolt.
Yep.
Yeah? Now we have stuck a new pad on this, ready to go back on, but before you do that, I'm going to pass you the camera because I'm going to polish. Polish that off. You could be singing to us while I'm doing this, couldn't you?
I don't think so.
No?
I might break the lens.
It's gorgeous sunshine at the moment. So folks, we got this from Mahari Club, and on the nice shiny new one, as I say, we've got a nice soft pad for the bolt to go on. Now just before we do it, if I could just show you, technically this bolt here should be replaced as well. But looking at that one there, I'm going to see if we can get away with leaving that on. So I'm going to let the wife refit the new one. Have you got the new bolt?
New bolt.
Where's the new bolt? Stay tuned for a further episode of Find the Bolt. I like how it's probably still underneath here as it's here. It's hiding. You're armed and ready. Let's do this.
Right, that goes through there. Line it up.
Hopefully it catches that bolt on the inside. Happy
That's
days.
Mrs. Tight.
Mrs. Tight.
That's Mrs. Tight.
So as you can see folks, that's Mrs. Tight. Now we're going to do Mr. Tight, and it'll probably be just as loose. I'm trying to tighten it left-handed. I think that's on folks.
Woohoo!
My wife hasn't finished yet though. You know what to do next?
Yes, I've got to get
Got to
this
tighten
one.
the mirror.
Just tightened.
Yeah. So before you go overly mad with the tightening, I'm just going to check that the window.
Clears it.
You're going to just move it out just slightly. There you go.
There we go.
So we've got away without using,
You need the smaller screwdriver.
without
for this
changing
bit.
that little bit there, which I'm quite happy about.
Don't want to cross it.
No, that's fine.
That's Mrs. Tightened.
That's alright. Got another job for you. Time to fit some new rear lenses. Can you just see the box for a second? So that's a copy part, which are cheaper than the OE, which I think is still available. But the one over here is a little bit damaged, and I don't want one looking dark and one looking bright, so should be timing this. I'll put a little counter clock in the bottom corner of the video.
Look at the dirt in there, the water trap.
Yeah, it is a water trap.
Right, are we ready for this? No.
Super. I still think this is quite relaxing watching somebody else do the work. It looks rather nice. One more to do. I'm liking the new mirrors, folks. Just a little explanation, and there'll be quite a few 2CVs driving around like this. This one, for the offside, or the driver's side in the UK. This one is now only available as the van version, and as you can see, because it's the van version, it sticks out a little bit further, but I don't care. I like the fact that it's nice, shiny and new. You ready?
Right.
Right. Clock's still ticking.
God. I'm gonna get this cap on.
That'll do. That'll do. Yep, that's a lovely job. Thank you, my dear.
Putting them back in the boxes.
Eat, sleep, drive, repeat. Wonderful.